Tapos seryoso yung mukha, nung lumabas siya pag matatawa ka na, isipin mo na yung mga masasamang alaala mo. Ang hirap.
Habang nagpe-perform ako, iniisip ko lahat, robot sila. Kasi pag iniisip kong ito yung mga kalabang ko, mawawala ako sa focus eh. Sorry. Wait lang. Direk, sorry. Ow, sorry. It's okay.
Tubig.
No, guys, no. I can't continue my performance. I miss someone.
Oh.
I miss someone. My favorite pet. His name is Twinkle. I call her every time Twinkle Calderon. She's so twinkle. She's so gorgeous, industrious, cumulus, nimbus, cirrus, stratus.
Cloud pala si Twinkle.
Here's the moment me and Twinkle.
Okay.
He looks like you. Parang si Lino.
That's him, boy. Twinkle is teaching me badminton day in my life. That's why Twinkle and me is very twin because every day we are each other ourselves both.
Oh.
When I'm sick, she was sick. When I'm 7, 8, 9, 10. You know guys, Twinkle is my favorite pet. Si Twinkle kasi talagang goldfish ko talaga nung araw yan. Kaya siya nagkaroon ng apelido kasi nung bata ako. Doon ako nakatira sa street na yon, Calderon. Kaya ang pangalan, Twinkle Calderon. That's it. Next question. Oh my goodness, Twinkle! I miss my Twinkle! I miss my Twinkle very much! Nakikita ko yung mga pagmumukha talaga nila, hindi sila tumitingin sa akin. Especially si Peachy.
Ayoko ng eye contact kasi nakakatawa.
I miss my Twinkle!
Oh, di ba?
Pinaka-threat sa akin, si Empoy kasi titigan mo lang. Pag tumagal ka ng 10 seconds ng titig kay Empoy at di ka tumawa, ang galing mo.
Oh my goodness! And then I found the stage. There in the center. Twinkle, this song is for you.
Pakitang gilas ka. Tutugtog ka pa. Okay. Go.
Hey, Twinkle! I just want you to know that I love you so. You're my twinkly, kitty, bitty, twinkly, bitty, kitty, bee. Twinkly, bitty, kitty, bitty, bee. Twinkly, Check it out. Hey, Twinkle. Hey, Twinkle very much for me.
That's so good.
He's doing a piece na narrative. Pero walang narrative na sa ginagawa niya. Yun yung nakakatawa doon. So sorry guys. I miss my goldfish.
Ay, may alaga din ako. Twinkle Bell. Bell pala. Twinkle Bell.
Bravo!
Galing.
Kung nanonood man si Twinkle, alam kong proud siya sa akin.